So I'm doing front stabilizer bar bushings on this Mercedes Sprinter van. It's a 2018. They revised the bushing, and I haven't seen any videos or any tips on how to do this because it's a pain in the ass. So hopefully this video will help someone out there. So anyways, this is the old original Swaybar bushing. The bushing is actually bonded onto the Swaybar. As you can see there, it's actually bonded onto the stabilizer bar, and it does not just come out of there. The repair manual says that this job will take 3 hours. I don't know about you, but 3 hours to do a Swaybar bushing is a little too long. So I found an easier way to do this. You'll need ear protection, probably a mask because you're going to be breathing in a lot of stuff you don't want to breathe in. Air hammer with a chisel bit, flashlight, air hacksaw, a 16mm socket. This is optional, and then a belt sander or a body sander. So yeah, start by removing the two bolts on the frame. Once the two bolts have been detached, you can go ahead and shove your air hammer into here and just air hammer this piece until they separate. I wish it was actually that easy, but it took me about 3 minutes of air hammering that. Here we go. Yeah, on normal cars, this bushing would not be bonded. It would have a slit in it like this, so you can just slip this bushing right over top. But German vehicles, they like to be special. Use a little air saw here, and we're gonna cut into the bushing in like 6 different sections. So once the bushing is roughly cut in a couple different spots, or 6 different spots, it'll look like this. Just take the body sander and just gently go around the sway bar. You don't want to sand it too deep into the metal itself. Luckily there is enough room to go all the way around the sway bar with the sanding tool. So this is what it looks like without the bushing. I'm gonna hit it with some paint and then throw the bushing in. So the new bushing opens up like this, and it just slides right over the sway bar like that. With the bracket in, you can just throw these bolts in, get them started, and then just suck the whole bracket into the bushing. And that's it. 3-hour job done in 1 hour for both sides. So that's a win. Yeah, these vans are pretty cool. I'm not too big on working on them, but I do kind of like them. Hopefully this helped prevent someone out there from swearing or throwing wrenches or ripping out their hair. But yeah, that's all I got.